which I have just given the ANOVA table. So you may just cross check whether this is right or wrong. Just cross check if anyone done it, then we can go ahead with the next question. So we have a main effect capital A, capital B.
हेलो सर.
Yes बेटा बोलो.
सर आपने प्रैक्टिकल का क्वेश्चन पेपर अटैच नहीं किया है इस पे क्लासरूम में.
अच्छा अभी करता हूँ. A, B. I'll share the questions also. So this is the question. Okay. So now in this case you have all capital A, capital B, capital. These are the treatment combination. These are the treatment combination. 1 A, B, A, B. तो मेन इफेक्ट आपका कैपिटल में होगा, कभी भी कॉम्बिनेशन स्मॉल में होगा. This is the problem. You can take a screenshot of that. Anyone have solved it? This one I told you last class. You can take a screenshot of that and you can solve it. Anyways, I will upload it this. JC, you can try out this. For now, anyone solved it? So you can cross check this answer, or you can, if you have not solved it, just take a screenshot of that. So whenever you solved it, you cross check whether this is coming right or not. Some notations has to be changed because according to the treatments we have to write down A, B, and because this is your treatment effects A and B. Based on that you have to write down. And then you can check whether this will, which one is greater, which one is less. So looking at these criteria, I think all F values 1, 2, 3.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
सर ये उस दिन हो गया था फर्स्ट सम है.
अरे बेटा सेकंड फर्स्ट सेम है क्या?
फर्स्ट सम का एनोवा टेबल है सर.
ये नहीं सेकंड ये फर्स्ट वन इधर है बेटा. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट वन. कैन यू सी? ये फर्स्ट वन है.
यस.
ये मैंने सेकंड सीधा अनोवा टेबल सेकंड का दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 लिखा ना यहाँ पे देखो.
यस सर. यस.
हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का अनोवा टेबल दिया है, so that you can cross check all answers are matching or not. Okay. So you can just take down that, so that means you can take a screenshot of that so that you can go ahead with question number 3. Just take a screenshot. I'll move down a little bit. Then we can go to the next question, question number 3. Actually, question number, if you have done it one, then rest you can do it. Like, there's not much changes is there, but still we can at least solve one type of problem with the same. So as you have solved it, question number 1, we have seen what will be R, T1 dot, T2 dot, etc. to write down. Similarly, T dot 1, T dot 2, and so on. Okay. Then grand total, then N, then so this sequence we will follow always. Okay. This sequence we will always follow. Then we will prepare a 8 table, but here the 8 table will be a little bit bigger. It is not a smaller because we have so many combinations. We have so many combinations. Okay. I'll just copy paste this one, this part. So see this data and tell me what are these values. These values are going to be changed, right? These values are going to be changed. So this is the blocks. This is a treatment. So one can look at this one. So what could be one ka total? Right. This way we did it here also. Right. One ka. That means the one ka total kya hoga? You have to just find out one ka total everywhere. What could be the total of one? So first of all, how many blocks are there? Let's see. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is correct. So this one is correct. Now what could be total of 1? Just find a total of 1. So this plus this plus this plus this. Exactly same way you did it in the, like, whoever is present last class. They can easy to calculate these quantities. No need to explain much about this. So like this T1 dot you can compute, that's a block. This is the block total. This is the blocks total. So when you add this all and do it double summation T dot J square, you will be get. So with this, with the help of this term, one can compute block sum of squares. So just check whether you're getting this answer. It did. And similarly, you have to find T summation T I dot also, but which is not possible because we have so many treatment combinations. So that we will find using Aids table. Okay, that I will keep it blank. And you can find correction factor. I think correction factor मिल जाएगा आपको, which is g square upon n. तो g हमने निकाल दिया है, n हमने निकाल दिया है, तो वो आप लिख सकते हैं 2710956.125, because you have g, you have double summation yi. So okay. So now you have to prepare a Aids table. It's bigger, it's very big Aids table. Here we have a treatment combination. We have a treatment total. Then you have a first column. You have second column. And you have a third column. I'll write our combination, then I will make a space. So we have a 1, we have a K, we have P, we have KP, we have N, we have NK. I hope you remember this sequence, because I told you that sequence is very, very important. And the sequence is wrong, then whole thing is goes to be wrong. So make sure that the sequence you are writing is absolutely correct. So treatment 1. Now you have to take addition of all 1. तो जहां जहां 1 है हर एक ब्लॉक में उसका एडिशन लिखना है. दैट विल गिव अस total of 1, which is, I think you're saying how much? 425, na? Something like that.
यस सर.
Similarly, yeah. Similarly, K, similarly P, N, K, NP, NKP. You have to obtain the total of all this. So this would be 1118, 1283, 1656, 426, 1203, 1396, 1807. And once you're done with this, the next task is to obtain the total. Select total of what? Can anyone tell me?
1 plus k का total.
Yes. So if you just simply add first two, we'll get the first one. Next two, we'll get second one. Next two, we'll get third one. Next, we'll get fourth one. Then do it reverse way. This minus this. So whenever I'm putting plus, that means the first four. This minus this. This minus this. This minus this. So next 4 मिलेगा. And again you have to do same sequence. First 4 plus में आएगा, next 4 minus में आएगा. And again same sequence, first 4 आएगा, first minus आएगा. So that you can do it. No need to show all the calculation. आप समझ के लो क्या कैसे कर रहे हैं आप. That is the important part. Okay. No need to show like this plus this will be, you will get this one like that. एक के लिए दिखा दो या फिर आप आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए याद रखो कि कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. You can write directly answer. This plus this will get this like that. Or you can call some quantity. This one you can call this is x1, which be addition of this. So this would be, just check it, 1543 x2, which is 232939 x3 x4 x5 x6 x7 x8. So x3 will be 1629 3203 693 373 777 and 411. I hope you are understood how to get this one. Go to chat box and write down why if you understood how to calculate the first one. First operation. Simply write 1. 16 students. Simply write 1. If you understood, write down simply y. Okay. Fine. So this means that everybody understood how to get that particular value. Then exactly same way we have to do it for second operation. If you add the first two, you'll get the first one, next two, second one, next two, third one, next one. Okay, so you can do it the same way. I will just write down the answers. You can verify if this matching or not. So you can call that quantity will be, let's say, y. So y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. So y1 will be 4482, 4832, 1066, 1188, 1396, 1574, minus 320, minus 366. And hence similarly the third treatment, which is 9314, which is your grand total, which we called, which you can call the grand total. Which you called G. Similarly, you have 2254, which is your K treatment. Total of that K 2970P minus 686. Next, you can call KP 350, which is capital N. And 122, capital NK. And the last one, second last one, 178, capital NP. And the last one, 46, capital NK. So this is the way one can get these treatments according to this Gates table, and hence its table is obtained based on that its table. One can get sum of squares. Okay, so you can just look at this G ka value. This G value should match with this G value. Okay, that shows that we are in right track. Now further this, you have to just calculate the sum of squares, which is sum of square due to treatments. You know the formula, summation Ti dot square upon R minus correction factor. Similarly, S square K S T square S n square s sum of square due to kp sum of square due to nk. It's a long calculation. It's very long calculation. Okay. S square np हर एक का निकालना पड़ेगा. Then we have s square nkp, and then you have a block also. You have h square block also, and finally you have s square. If you want total also, you can get it, which is, I think, that is very easy. Double summation iij minus correction factor, which would be simply 462.36187. So this particular K treatment will be total of like this value. So the treatment this square upon eta. Similarly for P, you have to square this one divided by that. N, you have N ka, you have K ka, you have P ka. So you can, according to that, you can make a, you can write out, you can write down the, that is the total. Okay, so I'm writing for one, you can write down for entire. This upon 8R will give us, so I'll just give the answers for everyone. You can write down the formula for it. For every case, you have to write down the formulas. Okay, so I'm just writing for one. So you can just cross check whether this is right or wrong. So these are the values you will be get. Okay, you can write down the answers for like formula for every sum of squares. That is, I'm not writing. Okay, you can take down that one. No problem at all. So congratulations to Ladli. Ladli is participated in intercollegiate competition and she secured second rank, second prize in intercollegiate competition.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So everybody say congratulations to Ladli. And also other students have participated, but they didn't get selection in the final round. But don't worry, you will be get the participation certificate. I think Devesh was Devesh and
Surbi,
Shivani, no,
Surbi,
Surbi and Om Moria and what is the name? Shivani, I think. Yeah, Shivani. No, Shivani. Lakshita. So, anyways, you will be get the participant certificate. Okay. So once you get this sum of square, as usual, you can see once you get these all sum of squares, next task क्या था हमारा? हम लोग ये hypothesis लिखेंगे. तो जैसे hypothesis इसका लिखा है, वैसे ही hypothesis आपको सबका लिखना है. Like main effect for the factorial effect due to the main effect K do not differ significantly. Main effect due to factor K is not significant. Main effect due to factor K is not significant. ये सब हर एक के लिए आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, so you can take down that hypothesis. That part I am skipping. Okay, तो उसमें बहुत टाइम जाएगा अपना. So I will just give the hint for किस इसका लिखना है. Okay, hypothesis part यहाँ से start होगा आपका. इसका hypothesis आपको लिखना है H naught K versus H1K. तो K के लिए हो गया एक hypothesis. Then H naught P के लिए लिखना है versus H1P. Similarly, this is your first one, this is your second one, third one H naught N के लिए लिखना है versus H1N. Okay, that part I'm skipping. You can fill in the blank that part. Then the next one, because we have so many these things, so that will time consume. H naught we have KP versus H1 KP. Then KP is over. Then H naught NK versus H1 NK. The next one H naught NP versus H1 NP. There are so many combinations, so you may feel that, oh, so many combinations you have to write. And there is no any other way after writing, because ये आपको individually लिखना ही पड़ेगा, because it is all different combinations. So we don't have any choice. And finally, the last one, block. So you can understand, if I'm सबका लिखते बैठते थे तो फिर हाइपोथेसिस में अपना टाइम जाता था. So similarly you can understand how many comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 total 9 are there. You can count it, कोई छूटा तो नहीं है, सब बराबर देख के लिखिए. Similarly, you have to prepare that ANOVA table. I think that is a very big task. Sorry, बोलिए क्वेश्चन कुछ छूटा है? So try to prepare that ANOVA table. So this is your ANOVA table with all factors. इसमें factors को add करना पड़ेगा आपको. Okay, you have to add factors. Like we have KP, you have to add one more main effects. And okay. So according to that, the entire thing will be, you can create it. So I will just give the hint. You can finish this part, okay? Because it will like very time consuming. Take your time, you can do the calculations. The important part, how to do the calculations, okay? So if you know the calculations, you can go ahead with that. करके सबका कैलकुलेशन करो.
सर 742.375.
Right. Absolutely right. So can you do it that ANOVA table wala part?
Yes, sir.
So just do it that because एक problem वो करेंगे and then another problem you have. I will just now I will upload it that इसका factorial का sheets so that you can take the another problem. दूसरा problem is same type है तो आप finish उसको भी finish कर दो. Okay, and with that your practicals will be get over. So if you want the answers for that, you can send me your answers. I will be verify it and I will be say okay with that. So just do that calculations and let me know in case if you have any query. Query है? Just do it, finish it. So with this your this practical is also over. Okay. So as I said, theory and practical both are over. So the next class we'll have on Saturday, I think, right? So Saturday का I think.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
सर आपने मिसिंग प्लॉट टेक्निक बोला है, उसमें वो यूनिट 3 का है, लेकिन उसमें आरबीडी और एलएसडी दोनों है, तो दोनों आएगा मिसिंग प्लॉट?
नहीं only for आरबीडी.
ओके सर, ओके.
यूनिट 2 में आपने मैं मिसिंग प्लॉट दिया है, लेकिन यूनिट 2 में आपको आरबीडी है ना बेटा?
यस सर, यस.
हाँ, तो आरबीडी से रिलेटेड जितने भी ओ सेक्शन में डाले, बिकॉज कैसा है ना, यूनिट 2 आपका छोटा है ना.
यस सर.
हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ना हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मिसिंग प्लॉट वाला मींस आई विल रीस्ट्रक्चर दैट. वो थोड़ा सा हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर करेंगे, तो वैसा होना चाहिए. एनीवेज, बट अंडरस्टैंड ओनली फॉर आरबीडी का जो मिसिंग प्लॉट है केवल आरबीडी के लिए है, एलएसडी के लिए नहीं. बट जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट मींस वैसे भी बाय हार्ट करना नहीं अपने को, जस्ट गो थ्रू करना है. मतलब क्या है उसका मिसिंग प्लॉट है तो उसका फॉर्मूला क्या आता है, मतलब सम फॉर्मूला इज देयर ना कि इसका टोटल इनटू blocks plus treatment total into treatment means k into treatment totals like that. वो थोड़ा go through करो आप. Anyways, we will meet next class on Saturday. So Saturday, if you have any questions related to your practicals और as well as theory 12 बजे के lectures में, तो हम लोग उसमें देख लेंगे कुछ doubts रहेगा तो. So just go through that your theory part for unit, at least this unit, at least this internal examination.